The topic of today's video is how to add bank details to Zoho Invoices. So the first thing that we need to do is set up a template. Now, in order to do this, all we need to do is go to the top right hand side of the screen next to your profile picture and you'll see a settings cog. Click on that. And once you do, you want to go to customization and then PDF templates. Now inside here, what we want to do is edit our invoice template. You can see I'm clicked on it here on the templates. And so we're going to click on edit. And here is our invoice template. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to other details on the left hand pane. And then you'll see add your bank details. And so you want to put in all your bank details. And once you are done, let's just put in some random letters here, hit preview, and you can see the bank details right at the bottom there. And when you're done, all you need to do is hit save and your bank details will be on every invoice. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you on the next video.